Are you looking for the best random orbital sanders in your budget? Well, in today's video, we break down the top 5 best random orbital sanders that are available on the market. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, quality, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now let's get started. At number 5. CRAFTSMAN Orbital Sander. Like the DEWALT DEWALT 6421, the CMU 231 operates smoothly, leaving a well-sanded surface. It also appears, even under superficial disassembly and analysis, to be nearly identical to that sander. We can't say they're exactly the same mechanically, but it's possible that the DEWALT 6421 possesses heavy-duty components that this sander does not. But if you've already bought into the CRAFTSMAN ecosystem, you might prefer this sander. At number 4, BOSCH Power Tools get 75/6N Electric Orbital Sander. For professional settings or just heavy-duty sanding, give the Get 75/6N from BOSCH some consideration. This powerful 6-inch random orbital sander features a heavy-duty 7.5 amp motor, allowing it to take on big sanding jobs. It also features adjustable speeds between 300 and 700 oppam, as well as a turbo mode that removes material even faster due to an eccentric orbit pattern. And to improve control, it features dual handles. This model from BOSCH features a built-in dust collection port that is compatible with several BOSCH dust collectors. It also comes with a universal adapter for standard 1-inch and 1-inch hoses and uses multi-hole, hook and loop sanding discs. It comes with a medium foam backing pad for general use, but it can easily be swapped for firm or soft pads with the included hex wrench. At number 3. DEWALT DEWALT 6423K Variable Speed Random Orbit Sander. The DEWALT DEWALT 6423 Variable Speed Random Orbit Sander is that one sander that does everything well. It features a corded design with a 3-amp motor, and it has adjustable speeds between 8,000 and 12,000 oppam, allowing users to ramp up for aggressive sanding or slow it down for fine-tuning. This random orbital sander from DEWALT isn't cordless, but it features a compact design that fits into tight spots. This shorter design also provides a lower center of gravity, allowing for more control and comfort. There is also a counterweight built into the device to reduce vibration. The DEWALT also features a one-handed locking dust collection bag that won't pop off during use, but it does require a special adapter to connect it to a standard 1-inch vacuum hose. It's designed for 8-hole, hook and loop sanding discs. At number 2, Makita ZOB 01T18 VLXT Lithium. The Makita ZOB 01T seem to sand as fast as the DEWALT above, which is surprising given that its top speed is 1000 RPM, less than its yellow competitor. Even with the big battery, it felt well balanced, and its dust pickup is good. Downsides: the sander does have a powerful gyroscopic action that requires a slight forward bias to keep it sanding on track. Once you get used to that, you're good to go. At number 1, BLACK+DECKER Orbital Sander. The BLACK+DECKER 230W Random Orbital Sander is kitted with a powerful motor coupled with a fast sanding speed of 13,000 RPM, delivering power for quick and effortless stock removal. The sander delivers a high-quality finish that can safely sand across the grain of wood without leaving swirl marks on your finish. The multiple soft gripping areas offer increased comfort and control during prolonged use. The dust collection system lets you keep your work surface clear as you go. Sanding paper can be quickly attached or removed thanks to the Velcro-style attachment solution. Ideal for sanding and polishing on wood, metal, PVC, and paint on both flat and curved surfaces. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and check out the description for links to updated pricing for products mentioned in the video. Until next time.